everyone, and welcome back to a brand new video. I am finally back with some new content for you. I'm super excited to share this one with you. We are converting in a spare bedroom in our basement into a little mini cinema. So let's get right into it. First of all, I'd like to thank you for stopping by and watching today's video. I have been really busy this summer. A lot has gone on. We moved houses, we went on vacation, we've had a few weddings, and then during the summer we go to our cabin. So it's just been really busy trying to keep up with videos and such. When we go to the cabin, I kind of just don't record, keep my phone off, and just enjoy time with my family. So that is why I haven't posted videos in the last couple months. So for this video today, I'm going to be sharing with you how I converted this spare bedroom in our basement in our new house into a media room for us. I was trying to figure out a way how I can utilize this room for every member of my family. Normally I use a spare room as my office, but one of our spaces was big enough to kind of do like a combo. So I just put my office in there, and this was the best idea I could come up with for everybody to enjoy. So for the majority of this video, you are going to see my little fur baby here by my side. He is always with me. He never leaves my side. He's my little companion. His name is Kiko. He is 2 years old. He is a Pomeranian mix, and he just loves being next to me, so give him a nice hello in the comments down below. So as you all know, I love DIY projects, and I wanted to do a little DIY in this room. So I was going to make these little poster frames for the wall. I used foam board from the dollar store, and these posters were actually from the dollar store as well. These posters normally go for about $12.99 a piece at retails, but I got this one at Dollar Roundup for $5. The measurement for these frames I am doing is 2 inches on both sides of the frame. I believe I used 2 inches at the top as well, and at the bottom it was the bottom and the top were both 3 inches long. I know most of you are going to wonder why didn't I just go buy some frames for these posters, but I love to do things budget friendly. I love to do DIYs, and for this room I wanted to do a DIY, and this is one thing I came up with. It was super cheap to do. I think each frame cost me about $6 and change, so I thought this was super budget friendly, and I think it looked great. To hang up these posters, I'm actually using Velcro so that I am able to remove these if I wanted to change the poster. My kids like to change things for the season, so they like to change it for Halloween, for Christmas, so if we can find posters for different seasons, that would be great. So that is why I used Velcro for the back of these, and to attach the posters to the foam board, instead of using tape and it ripping off the foam board, I actually just used these flat thumbtacks, and it worked out great. This way we can remove them, and if we want to put them back on, we can. I wanted to take this time and thank you for stopping by and watching today's video. If you are new to my channel, hello, my name is Monica. I love to do things all home decorating DIYs projects. I am fairly new to YouTube. I only have a couple videos out and I absolutely love it. I am obsessed with YouTube. I can sit and watch YouTube pretty much all day. I have channels that I absolutely love to watch. I love Kristen Casper, Carrie Lynn. That's just to name some of the few. There's quite a few of them I like. So next I'm taking this red curtain here and I'm just folding it in half, and then I'm going to cut it down the middle just so I can get an even amount for each side of my wall. This is just a decor. It's not serving any purpose. It's just to give it like that theater look. For this next part, I am just taping down these lights that I found in my garage. I thought they were perfect for this room. I don't know if I can link them in the description below because they were in the garage when we moved here, but if I can, I will link it for you. Oh, you're too cute. Okay, can I get back to work now? I need to get back to work. You're too cute. Okay. I had to insert that little clip of this little guy. He's so funny, so sweet. He was actually trying to get my attention because he needed to go outside. Now I'm just putting this wicker basket on the corner here just to put some blankets to curl up on the couch while we watch movies. So this futon is actually pretty old. It was in this house when we moved here, and I didn't want to throw it out because we needed something. This is just temporary. We're going to get something. We just haven't decided on what. Not to mention this spare room is at the far back of our basement, so getting a new couch in here would just be such a hassle, and especially getting it through the doorway. So I bought this slipcover from a local store here, and we're just making do with this for now until we figure out what we want to put here. We have thought about putting bean bags or inflatables, but we can't decide what we want to do yet. If we do end up changing it, we'll keep you posted, but for now this is what we're going to use. I'm just setting up my little snack area, just putting my popcorn machine or popcorn buckets. I found these trays at Dollar Tree and I bought 4 of them just so we can carry things to the couch if we have more than one. I'm also I didn't record it, but I put my soda stream in here as well. I don't know if it's gonna stay in here, but I'm still trying to find other things for this room. I want to thank you guys again for stopping by and watching today's video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. I have more content coming out, including decorating for fall, decorating for Halloween, Christmas, and hopefully a few other videos I can squeeze every now and then in. Thanks again, guys, and I will see you in my next one. Bye!